Welcome to Easy Peasy Lemon Squeezy.
Hello friends, welcome to EzPz. This time I have come with the fun games for Diwali. And when we talk about Diwali, it is always fireworks. So this time we are going to make eco-friendly, noise-free rockets from paper. So here is my one rocket and the other one is this one. So let's try flying this first. So this is the rocket which I have shown you how to make it in a video, and let's blast this off. Oh, it went so far. Let me try. Now, let me try this one. This is the origami rocket which we made. So for this, you just have to put the straw like this, and in this you put, and let's see how it flies. Hey, try one more time, guy. Our red one. Isn't it fun? So let's try making this two eco-friendly rocket for Diwali. So to make this rocket, we will need any newspaper. I'm going to make it from the newspaper. So we'll need a newspaper. We will need sellotape, scissor, pencil, and mostly glue. And I have used these straw which I got it from McDonald's. But if you do not have a straw, you can make one also by rolling with the pencil, the way we are making the uh, body of the rocket. So let's start making this. Take the paper and cut it into half. Just keep this half aside. What you need is now a pencil, and just roll this pencil like tightly like this. Just put a small cylinder over here to close it. Then just take a big one. Take a big one to put it. Yes. Just put a cylinder and then roll it. Roll it, roll it, roll it. So rolling is important. So just roll it, and then move the pencil and try this here. This and roll it. There it is. I think the body of your rocket is ready. Now what you need is the wing for your rocket. So for that, just take the half of the paper and just cut it. You want to make a much big body, just take another one. Cut this. So, like same size. So you will need 3 wings for your rocket. So 2 are together. So then just bend it like this, all the 3 together, so that you have. So now you open it. When you open it, you will have this middle. So on this, put your just rotate it to the center and on it. You have 2 wings of your rocket ready. Then you will have the third one over here. For this, just a little rotate on this. Of your rocket will stand. So you can see it. Now you need a tip of your rocket. So for that, what you need is another just a very tiny paper from here, and you're going to make cone out of it. So for that, you have to be really careful that these should not be open. So you will close it like this and just roll it, roll it, roll it, roll it, and then put a cello tape on the corner. So just roll and put. So there should not be an air going there, and then just put a cello tape around it. So you got this covered. Now you need to go, this has to go in here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut it because this is too big. So I have this perfect cone right now. So just have to put it. I'm going to glue this with favicol. So just put a glue around, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to just pass this over here and close it. So there you go. My rocket is ready to launch. There you go. My rocket is ready to launch. And let's see if it stands properly. Yes, it needs. You can also go, if you want, you can also put 4 wings, but I think with the 3 wings also it will go. So like that, I have made 2 rockets. Let's see whether it flies or not. Are you ready to blast off with me? Okay. Now let's blast off these rockets. For that, we will need a straw, and what you need to do is just pass this straw inside and just blast this straw inside, and we are ready. Okay, so let's go. Let's fly the rocket. Oh, it went so far. So let's make this eco-friendly rocket with newspaper. For that, just take a square paper and just make equal fold like this. The folds are very important in this, so make sure that you equally fold it properly. Make a square. Fold it. Here you go. Square. Where is it? Now you fold it from this side. Go. And is equal. And from these two. That's it. Make a little bit of mistake. It's difficult. So then also do this way. Turn it around and fold these ones so that it is easier for folding. Now open it, and you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 8. So you just have to put it on the equal and just take one triangle over here and one triangle. You have this triangle. So this also fold this way. A proper triangle visible. So you have these two and you have these two. Now what you're going to do is just make it like this and then fold it like this and make a triangle. So you have triangle like this. So this triangle with something which is like this. Then you have to fold this to here. So from the center, just fold one. Just have one fold from the center and one from these. So it should be equal in the center. The more crisp you are, the better your rocket will fly. Then from the other side, turn around and make this. So there you go. Here and a fold. Now you have something like this, right? Something like this. Now one more fold you are supposed to. So one more fold, same way, one more fold. Here in the center and here in the center. Now again turn it around and one more fold over here and just fold it properly so that your rocket will fly properly if it has a better tip. And one more fold over here. Since it needs a little bit of thicker paper, just okay, so now we have this and then you take only this part and bend it like this and bend it from the opposite side. This. So this is where rocket is going to stand. Turn it around, bend it, go this way, fold it other side equally and go this way. So there you go. Your rocket is ready. You see? Now you open the center of it. So once you open it, and there you go. That's your rocket. This is the origami rocket which we made. So for this, you just have to put the straw like this, and in this you put and let's see how it flies. Hey, try one more time, guys. Our red one. Isn't it fun?